Good morning. So today we will cover salicylic acid, then benzoic acid, and dimethyl ethylene. So let's start. First is salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is a type of beta hydroxy acid. Shortly we can call it as BHA, and phenolic acid with the chemical formula C7H6O3. It is a BHA found as a neutral compound in plants. It functions as a plant hormone. This lipophilic monohydroxybenzoic acid is a derivative of salicin metabolism. It is a crystalline organic carboxylic acid with lytic, bacteriostatic and fungicidal property. It is poisonous when consumed in large. It can be used as an antiseptic and as a food preservative when consumed in a small quantity. It consists of a carboxylic group COOH. It is odorless and has no color. The property of salicylic acid. First is given here is the formula C7H6O3. Then molecular weight is 138.121 gram per mole. Density is 1.44 gram per centimeter cube. Boiling point is 211 degrees Celsius and melting point is 158.6 degrees Celsius. The formula is given here, you can see. The structure is also given here, you can see. Second is use of salicylic acid. It is used in toothpaste as an antiseptic. In the medical field, it is used to remove the outer layer of the skin. It is used in the treatment of acne, dandruff and warts. It is used as preservative. It is used in the production of drug like aspirin. It is used as balm to reduce muscles and joint pain. It is used to relieve pain causing during mouth ulcer. It is used as key additive in skincare product. So let's discuss some question. First is, what does salicylic acid do to her skin? Salicylic acid works by losing and breaking apart dermasomes in the outer layer of the skin, which are attached between cells. This action helps the skin to exfoliate and the pores to unclog. Salicylic acid is capable to reduce sebum secretion, which is another way to help reduce acne. So this is how it is used in reduction of acne. Next is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is an organic compound which is described by the chemical formula C6H5COOH, means carboxylic group is attached in this. It consists of carboxylic group attached to a benzene ring. Therefore, benzoic acid is said to be an aromatic carboxylic acid. This compound exists as a crystalline colorless solid under normal conditions. The term benzonate refers to the ester and salt of C6H5COH. The commercial production of benzoic acid is done by the partial oxidation of toluene with oxygen catalyzed by manganese or cobalt naphthalate. The chemical reaction is illustrated here, you can see. Another industrial method of preparing benzoic acid is by reacting trichlorotoluene with calcium hydroxide in the presence of water in the treatment of calcium benzonate product with hydrochloric acid. The structure of benzoic acid molecule is given. This molecule consists of benzene ring to which a carboxylic functional group is linked. The molecule consists of 7 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atom and 2 oxygen atom. So you can see here. Next is properties of benzoic acid. The physical and chemical properties of C6H5 COOH are discussed in this section. Chemical data is given below. You can see benzoic acid formula as I told you. Then molecular weight is 122.12 gram per mole. Density is 1.27 gram per centimeter cube at 15 degrees Celsius. Boiling point is 523 K and melting point is 395 K. Next are physical property. Benzoic acid has a colorless appearance in its solid state, which is of crystalline nature. The crystal structure is monocyclic. The presence of the aromatic rings gives the compound a fantastic pleasant odor. At a temperature of 130 degrees Celsius, the density of this compound reduced to 1.075 gram per cube centimeter. Chemical properties: it is soluble in water and solubility at 25 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius is 3.44 gram per liter and 56.31 gram per liter respectively. It is soluble in benzene, carbon tetrachloride, acetone and alcohol. The acid dissociation constant means pKa value of benzoic acid is corresponding to 4.2. This reaction can occur at the carboxylic group or even at the aromatic ring. Next are use of benzoic acid. The production of phenol involve the use of benzoic acid. The compound is used in ointment that prevent or treat fungal and skin diseases. Benzoic acid is used as preservative in the food industry. Benzoic acid is an ingredient in many cosmetic products such as lipstick. It is used as precursor to benzoyl chloride, one of the components of toothpaste, mouthwash and face cream is benzoic acid. This compound is also used in the manufacturing of dyes and in insect repellent. So next is dimethyl phthalate DMP. DMP is clear, colorless to light yellow, oily liquid with a slightly sweet odor. It is slightly soluble in water, soluble in organic solvent like ethanol, diethyl ether, stable under ordinary condition, incompatible with strong oxidizing agents, strong acid or base, nitrate, sensitive to prolonged exposure to light. Application: pharmacy and medical use. DMP is an anti-parasitic drug used in the treatment of lactoparasitic infestations such as nematodes, gastro termitodes, infectious protozoas and amoebas. It can be applied to treat of cell infection as a meticidal agent. Then in agrochemical industry, DMP has an application as insect and mosquito repellent in some topical formulations such as cream, aerosol and lotion and in pesticide. Then in veterinary, it is also used in veterinary medicine as plasticide in film coating at level of 0.1% or below. Cosmetic: DMP has an application as a plasticide, solvent and fragrant ingredient in a wide variety of cosmetic product type. So it is also used in industry as a plasticizer in rubber making industry. It also used as resin, so it dissolves many natural resin in it. So these are the use of DMP. We have covered it. So for any query you can comment below. Thank you.